Welcome to challenge number 2. Here is the question. Let A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H be an 8-digit number formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, so on up to 8 without any repetition. In fact, 40,320 such 8-digit numbers are possible. Find how many of them are perfectly divisible by 9. As the question says, the 8-digit number is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And the digits take the values 1, 2, 3, so on up to 8 without any repetition. A number is divisible by 9 if sum of all the digits in that number is divisible by 9. This is the concept that we'll be using. So our 8-digit number ABCDEFGH is divisible by 9 if the sum A plus B plus C plus D plus so on up to plus H is divisible by 9. Well, we know that ABCDEFGH takes the values 1 to 8 without any repetition. So, regardless of the order of these ABCD so on up to H, they take the values 1, 2, 3, so on up to 8. So, what will be the sum of A plus B plus so on up to plus H? That's always equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to plus 8. Sum of first 8 natural numbers. That is equal to 36. In fact, 36 is always divisible by 9. Hence, all possible numbers, in fact 40,320 numbers, are perfectly divisible by 9. Simple, isn't it?